Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Old Navy Super Cash online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration I'm going to go to my web browser and go to oldnavy.gap.com. This is the official website of Old Navy. And now once in here, I'm going to make sure to log in or sign up if you haven't. As you can see, I'm signed in here. So I'm just going to do a random order here. So I'm going to go to men's. I'm going to search for new arrivals. And once this page loads, I'm going to click on, say, this trucker jacket here. I'm going to add this to my cart. Extra large. Add to bag. Alright, and now I'm going to go to checkout. We're at the checkout section. That's where you get to put in your super cash or discount promo code. And now, as you can see, this is the checkout page or the shopping bag. And if we look on the right hand side here under order summary, it's got your total. I've got 2 items in here, by the way. And you got promos here. So what you want to do is add in your promo code here, click apply, and then that will bring your total order down to whatever that promo code's discount is at. Then from there, click on checkout with your new total and continue on with the checkout by putting in your debit, credit card, or paying by PayPal, etc.